Are you struggling with the painful symptoms of stomach ulcers? Are you worried about the potential complications that could arise from this condition? Don't worry, this video is here to help you. We're going to reveal the top 11 foods to avoid if you have stomach ulcers, plus a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. By understanding which foods can exacerbate your symptoms and avoiding them, you can start on the path to healing and improved health. So grab a notepad, sit back, and let's begin our journey to a more comfortable and pain-free life. 1. Citrus fruits. Acidic aggravation. Picture this. You're enjoying a refreshing glass of orange juice on a hot summer day, unaware of the potential harm it could cause to your stomach ulcer. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are high in citric acid, which can irritate the lining of your stomach and exacerbate ulcer pain. Avoiding these fruits and their juices can help alleviate symptoms and allow your stomach to heal more effectively. 2. Spicy foods. Turning up the heat. Remember that time you challenged your friends to a spicy food competition? While it might have been fun, if you have a stomach ulcer, it's best to avoid spicy foods like hot peppers, chili, and curry. These foods can increase stomach acid production, further irritating your stomach lining and worsening ulcer pain. To protect your stomach, choose milder flavors and spices instead. 3. Coffee and tea. Caffeine culprits. Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing that your daily cup of coffee or tea could be causing you more harm than good. Both coffee and tea contain caffeine, which can stimulate stomach acid production and aggravate ulcer symptoms. If you're suffering from a stomach ulcer, try switching to decaffeinated alternatives or herbal teas that are gentler on your stomach lining. 4. Alcohol. Damaging effects. Picture yourself at a celebration, toasting with a glass of wine or champagne. While alcohol may be a common part of social events, it can wreak havoc on your stomach if you have an ulcer. Alcohol can weaken the protective mucus layer in your stomach, allowing stomach acid to damage the lining and worsen ulcer symptoms. It's best to avoid alcohol or limit your intake to promote healing and prevent complications. 5. Chocolate. The bittersweet truth. It's hard to resist the allure of a rich, velvety piece of chocolate. Unfortunately, if you have a stomach ulcer, indulging in chocolate might not be the best idea. Chocolate can increase stomach acid production, exacerbating ulcer pain and discomfort. To protect your stomach, opt for alternatives like carob or vanilla-flavored treats instead. 6. Tomatoes. Acidic surprises. Think back to the last time you enjoyed a plate of pasta with marinara sauce. As delicious as it may have been, the tomatoes in the sauce can be problematic for those with stomach ulcers. Tomatoes are high in natural acids, which can irritate the stomach lining and aggravate ulcer symptoms. Choose non-acidic alternatives, like Alfredo or pesto sauces, to enjoy your pasta without the pain. 7. Carbonated drinks. Bubbling discomfort. Picture yourself sipping on a fizzy soda, enjoying the refreshing bubbles dancing on your tongue. Unfortunately, carbonated drinks can cause discomfort for those with stomach ulcers. The gas bubbles in these beverages can put additional pressure on your stomach, leading to increased pain and irritation. Instead, opt for still water, herbal tea, or other non-carbonated beverages to quench your thirst. 8. Fried and fatty foods. Greasy troubles. Recall the last time you indulged in a plate of greasy, fried food. While it may have tasted delicious, fried and fatty foods can be detrimental to those with stomach ulcers. These foods can be more difficult to digest and may lead to increased stomach acid production, worsening your ulcer symptoms. To protect your stomach, opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming, and choose lean protein sources and healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. 9. Onions. The hidden aggravator. Picture yourself chopping onions for a delicious meal, tears streaming down your face as you prepare this flavorful ingredient. However, if you have a stomach ulcer, onions could be causing you more than just teary eyes. Onions can trigger stomach acid production and irritate the stomach lining, leading to increased ulcer pain. To avoid exacerbating your symptoms, try using garlic or other herbs to add flavor to your dishes instead. 10. Peppermint and spearmint. A double-edged sword. Imagine sipping on a soothing cup of peppermint tea, expecting it to help with digestion and relaxation. Surprisingly, both peppermint and spearmint can have negative effects on those with stomach ulcers. While these herbs are often used to aid digestion, they can also relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to reflux into the esophagus and irritate the stomach lining. If you have a stomach ulcer, consider choosing other herbal teas like chamomile or ginger to help soothe your stomach without causing harm. 11. High-sodium foods. Salt-induced suffering. Think about the last time you enjoyed a salty snack, like potato chips or pretzels. High-sodium foods can contribute to increased stomach acid production, worsening ulcer symptoms, and prolonging the healing process. To protect your stomach, limit your intake of high-sodium foods and opt for fresh, whole foods with natural flavors instead. Bonus tip: eat smaller, more frequent meals. As a bonus tip, consider adjusting your eating habits to support the healing of your stomach ulcer. Consuming smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help prevent excessive stomach acid production and reduce the strain on your stomach lining. This approach can help alleviate ulcer symptoms and promote faster healing. Now you know the top 11 foods to avoid if you have stomach ulcers, plus a bonus tip to help support your healing journey. By making informed choices about your diet and avoiding these harmful foods, you can take control of your symptoms and work towards improved health and comfort. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have a medical condition. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with managing stomach ulcers through dietary changes. Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and insights. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.